What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Sander. We've got another good one for you today. We're going to talk about Tether. Tether, if you didn't know, is a coin that is tied or tethered to the USD dollar. So it's supposed to always be worth a dollar. It's worth about almost 99 cents right now, but it's supposed to always be worth a dollar, and it's always backed up by 1 USD. And I've made a video on this in the past talking about it because somebody wanted me to do a quick review of it, and I did. And at the time, I thought this is pretty cool. I checked out their website. Their website's pretty nice. And then I was doing just kind of skimming the top of the research for it and everything. And I was like, okay, guys, this seems like a really cool idea. This is something you could probably hold your money into whenever the market dips, or using it for that. Its utility is pretty cool because I've never seen another coin that holds its value like Tether does to just stay at $1. So the idea is that if the market's dipping and you don't want your money to go down, instead of exchanging it for USD, you can just put it into Tether, hold it there for a little while until the market goes down to where you want it, and then rebuy back in. Now that could have actually been useful. A lot of people are thinking, "Oh no, that's dumb," but I mean, if you'd have done it for this crash that we've had right now, whenever it was at $830 billion and it's now at 583, it hit all the way down to 430 billion. You could have bought back in, and Tether would have worked. I mean, it just didn't change. But now looking over it more, guys, and recent news of them separating from their auditor and everything, and I've been looking more into it. It just kind of it's a little sketchy, guys. There's a lot of people saying that it's not backed by USD, and even if it is, it's not accurate. And the government could become angered by this, or just overall doesn't want it to be tethered to the dollar because people will be using Tether instead of USD, which is never good for the government. They'll be bypassing the government and stuff like that by using Tether instead of the American dollar. So it's just been kind of giving me like bad vibes from it, you guys. I'm just putting this video out there real quick. It's a real quick overview. So I am recommended not to put your money in Tether, even if it's for a short-term hold, even if for just a few hours or a day or two. It just seems like something. I don't think it's a scam. A lot of people are saying it's a scam, but I think that it has potential to just not do what we need it to do, and that for some reason something could happen and the government like shuts down Tether or something of that extent. And I would hate for me to have promoted any kind of video for any coin and then it just gets shut down or it loses its value or something in that nature. You guys, I'm here to help you make money. We're all trying to make money. We're trying to build a community of like-minded people who are all trying to make money. So I'm not recommending Tether. So if you are investing in Tether and you think that it is a solid project and you're not really investing but holding money there, that's fine. I understand. It's still a really cool idea. I hope one day that either Tether or another company is able to actually do this and tether it to a dollar and keep it there and not have a whole lot of problems, or just that they really make it solid. But for now, I don't recommend putting any money in Tether. You guys kind of, do your own research. This is not professional. I'm not a professional. This is not financial advice. You do your own research, do your own due diligence, and just, you know, it's up to you. We're all adults. You put your money into whatever you want to, guys. But other than that, like, comment, mash that subscribe button, share with your friends, and yeah. So let me know in the comments how are you keeping up. See you guys.